Hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and I am so excited today guys because I have 4 ultimate dessert fluff recipes to share with you. Oh yeah, these are so good and they are super easy to make. That's one of the reasons why I love them so much, because you can just dump all of your ingredients together and then you have this amazing dessert that is always a hit. And the 4 that I will be making are some of my very favorites. And the first one is for a delicious strawberry shortcake fluff. You will need 1 pound of frozen strawberries, an 8-ounce container of whipped topping, and a 3-ounce box of strawberry gelatin, and an angel food cake. Pour 1 1/4 cups of boiling water into your jello and stir. Add your frozen strawberries and stir again, allowing it to chill slightly. Then add your whipped topping, gently folding it into the jello and strawberry mixture. Take your angel food cake and pinch off bite-sized pieces and add it to your gelatin mixture. And then just stir until it's all combined. Cover and refrigerate for 4 hours. Then we have an amazing Oreo Fluff, and kids, they just love this one. You will need 1 large box of vanilla pudding, 2 cups of milk, 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping, and then you will need some Oreo cookies. Add your milk to your pudding mixture and stir. Then add your whipped topping. Add 1 1/2 cups of chopped up Oreos and stir to combine. And of course, I like to sprinkle some more chopped up Oreos for the top of the fluff. Next is a delicious S'more Fluff. Oh yeah, this one is a good one. You will need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1 container of a marshmallow cream, 1 cup of mini marshmallows, and then you will need 6 full sheets of graham crackers, 3 Hershey bars, and 2 containers of whipped topping. Add your marshmallow cream to your cream cheese and mix together using an electric mixer. Then I add 1 container of whipped cream and mix, and the second container of whipped cream and mix. Add your mini marshmallows, chopped up graham crackers, and chopped up 2 of the Hershey bars, and then stir to combine. I saved 1 of the sheets of graham crackers so that I can cut it up and sprinkle it on top, along with some of the mini marshmallows and 1 Hershey bar that I have chopped up. And finally, my favorite, a banana split fluff. Oh yeah. You will need 2 8-ounce containers of whipped topping, 1 box of a banana cream instant pudding, a large can of crushed pineapple, 2 bananas, 1 jar of maraschino cherries, 1 cup of mini marshmallows, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Drain your maraschino cherries and slice your bananas. Add your pineapple to your banana cream pudding and give a mix. Then add your whipped topping. And stir until it's completely combined. Add your marshmallows, your walnuts, your chocolate chips, your sliced bananas, and your drained cherries. And then stir everything until it's combined. They are all so delicious, but I'm telling you, there's just something about this banana split fluff. It is just delicious. Well, I hope that you give some of these dessert fluff recipes a try because they are so delicious. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.